Hey everyone, this is Mike from Rockhound Quest. I'm here in Southern Oregon. I'm on top of Lower Table Rock. Across the way is Upper Table Rock. All of this stuff.
7.5 million years old.
Whew. The one cool thing about this spot is it has my favorite tree all over the place with drones. Oh yeah, look at that. I see it, that's the peak. Hey, my trail's leveled off. I must have finally made it. Let's go take a look. This is a fairly popular spot with the locals. I've seen quite a few people here. Let's see if we can get a closer look at this little guy. It's a blue belly lizard. We got a ton of these little guys around here. Hey buddy, how close will you let me get? Yeah, he's looking right at me, but he's not too afraid. Alright, it looks like I'm getting to the edge. This is going to be a cool lookout. Now, I'm a little bit afraid of heights, so I'm not exactly jazzed to go too far to the ledge, but I will get as close as I can to get a great view. I made it, and I climbed to the highest peak up here. This is the top of Lower Table Rock. Across the valley, there's another plateau. You can see the original floor to this area, and all that remains are these giant plateaus. Everything else was washed away and eroded. You know, that erosion makes the valley really fertile. You'll notice that we have a lot of farms around here. The birds pretty much have their nests up here. You might not want to take this trail. Yeah, watch that last step, it's a doozy. Oh man, look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna try and overcome my fears one more time because this is really cool looking. But I really don't want to get dizzy and like fall off a cliff. That would be less than ideal. But look at this. These formations.
7.5 million years old.
Yeah, look, if I trip any direction, I'm gonna fall to my doom. The trail is rated as moderate. It's 3.28 miles round trip. Manzanita, they are real similar to the madrone. It's a weird looking tree. Like all of that is like curled up bark that just peels off. Nope, I hear somebody nearby. I got some critter near me. Hopefully that is just a rabbit or a coyote. Oh, I found him. It is bunny. There he is. That's a jackrabbit. Let's see. Let's see how close he'll let me get to him. Notice how even if he turns his head, his ears are still trained on me. He can hear me perfectly. He's actually looking for his route out. So he's thinking, all right, if this guy keeps getting close to me, I'm gonna have to book it. So he's watching me. And you'll notice like the eyes are on the side of his head. So he can see predators all around him a lot easier. This guy wants to know if anybody's trying to sneak up on him. He's not even worried because if I got too close, he could get away from me with ease. There you go, buddy. You're okay. I'll leave you alone. I won't bother you. Oh, hey, my vulture buddies are back. My vulture buddies are back. You're watching me. Nah, I'm kidding. So what these birds really are doing is, yes, they are scanning the area and, you know, scoping things out, but you'll notice that birds will circle in like the same area, and what they're doing is they're finding pockets of heat that is rising, and they're using that upward force to help them glide a lot easier. And so these guys aren't even flapping their wings. These formations are pretty neat. Big bubble right there. I don't know what it is about this stuff, but I always think it looks so cool. Thank you everybody who joined me. I really appreciate all of the upvotes and subscribes. It's been a great pleasure hiking Southern Oregon's Lower Table Rock.